Historical POV videos are exploding right now. Imagine waking up as a pyramid builder in ancient Egypt, experiencing history entirely from a first-person perspective. These immersive AI-generated videos are pulling in millions of views because they make viewers feel like they're actually living in another era. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral historical POV videos from start to finish using AI. Now let's get started. The first step is generating the prompts for your historical POV video scenes. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below and copy the prompt provided. Then paste it into your favorite AI chat tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt and hit enter, the AI will generate a list of countries or historical regions and ask which one you'd like to explore. Simply select your preferred region and press enter. A few seconds later, the AI will give you a list of roles or characters from that time period and ask which one you'd like to experience. After making your selection and click enter, the AI will instantly generate 6 immersive first-person POV scenes for your video. Each scene comes with a detailed AI image prompt and a matching video animation prompt. The next step is to generate and animate your AI historical POV images. Head over to Flow AI, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and change the output to 2 images. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will create 2 cinematic first-person POV images based on your prompt. Review both images, choose the one that looks the most immersive and historically accurate, then download it to your device. Now repeat this process to generate the rest of your historical POV scenes. Next, let's animate our images. Switch over to the video section in Flow AI and change the animation model to OmniFlash. Then, select your preferred video duration depending on how long you want each scene to play. Import the first image we generated into the prompt box. Then, head back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompt for that scene. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first AI historical POV video clip will be ready. Preview the result and notice how realistic and smooth the animation looks. Then, download the clip to your device. Now repeat this exact process for the remaining scenes until you've created all of your immersive first-person historical POV video clips. The final step is editing your AI historical POV video. Import all of the video clips you've generated into your favorite video editor and arrange them in the correct order. To make your first-person POV transformation look smooth and immersive, add transitions between each scene so everything flows together like one continuous historical experience. For this tutorial, I'm using the mix transition. Simply select the transition and click Apply to All to instantly add it between every clip. Once you're happy with the edit, download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comments section.